Good evening, everyone. Please sit here. जल्दी जाइए सर परमिशन to start please start
Good evening to one and all. It's my pleasure to welcome you all to this August gathering. The National Cadet Corps is a premier youth organization that aims to develop the character, discipline, and leadership skills of individuals. As we celebrate the spirit of service, leadership, and patriotism, we acknowledge the dedication, hard work, and tireless efforts made by our ANOs, NCC staff, and cadets. On behalf of NCC Group Kakinada, I deem it my privilege to welcome Air Commodore Narsingh Salani, Deputy Director General of AP and Telangana Directorate, Dr. Shivaji Babu, Principal of PVP Siddhartha Institute of Technology, officers, staff and cadets. I, Cadet Swati, and my co-MC, Cadet Sneha from 8 ANU are hosting today's felicitation ceremony. We recognize the outstanding service and commitment of our staff and cadets. This felicitation ceremony is to honor and appreciate the tireless efforts of our NCC staff and cadets. We are honored to acknowledge their contributions. Let's take a moment to acknowledge the hard work and dedication of our NCC ANOs, PA staff, and state government staff, whose efforts have ensured the seamless operation of NCC. In addition to this, the cadets are being awarded for their active and enthusiastic participation in various activities such as camps, adventure, and SSCD activities. Now I request Air Commodore Narsingh Salani, Deputy Director General of AP and Telangana, to felicitate the awardees as a token of appreciation. Receive the medals. Now I invite Lieutenant Dr. Jay Bal from 3 Andhra RMV Regiment NCC, ANO of NTR College of Veterinary Sciences Gannavaram, a hardworking ANO whose leadership qualities and selfless service commitment have culminated in a notable accomplishment yielding remarkable services. Lieutenant Jay Bal.
Be ready, huh? The sequence ready, be ready. पूरा sequence में ready रहना.
Of PVP Siddhartha Institute of Technology, Kannuru. He has rendered invaluable service nurturing cadets to achieve excellence through his expertise and dedication. He has provided exceptional service, selflessly training cadets to achieve outstanding performance. Lieutenant M.D. Nayak. Captain Dr. N. Shailaja from 4 Andhra Girls Battalion NCC, ANO of Maristella College, a highly motivated and dedicated ANO whose distinguished service in training cadets has been exemplary, yielding outstanding outcomes. Lieutenant A. Venkatesh from 8 Andhra Naval Unit NCC, ANO of PB Siddhartha College. He has actively participated in every activities. He distinguished service in training cadets have been exemplary, yielding outstanding outcomes.
लाइट बंद कर पहन लाइट बंद मेन नको पड़ लाइट पर
Lieutenant Dr. Rohini Kusma from 4 Girls Battalion NCC, ANO of PB Siddhartha College, Vijayawada. Herself is an ex-cadet. She is highly motivated and committed. She actively participates and organizes events successfully. Sub-Lieutenant Swapna from 8th Andhra Naval Unit, ANO of Maristella College, a beacon of inspiration whose unwavering passion for serving society has not only inspired cadets but also touched the hearts of many through her exemplary work. Lieutenant K. Sudhakar from 17th Andhra Battalion NCC, ANO of Nalanda College, Vijayawada. He has good leadership qualities and always takes keen interest in shaping the character of cadets.
वीडियो वाले ना
First Officer P. Brahmeshwara from 8 Air Squadron NCC, JDANO of SKPVVH. His professionalism is simple manner, outstanding performance and motivation have inspired cadets to excel, yielding remarkable achievements. Third Officer A. Anuradha from 4 Girls Battalion NCC, ANO of Nalanda Vidya Niketan, Vijayawada, an energetic and enthusiastic ANO who is always ready to do NCC activities. Second Officer N. Anuradha Rajalakshmi of 19 Andhra Battalion, SIR Reddy Public School, Erluru, known for her dedication to youth development and discipline through NCC training. Thank you, ma'am. Now comes the remarkable services rendered by our NCC staff, the training staff who are instrumental in shaping and molding the personality of the cadets. Now I invite Subedar G. Suresh from 4 Girls Battalion, an extremely hardworking JCO who carries out all the NCC training activities with dedication and commitment. CPO Sanjay Sharma from 8th Andhra Naval Unit has consistently demonstrated leadership qualities, motivating cadets to achieve outstanding career opportunities. CPO Sanjay Sharma. Naib Subedar Vinod Kumar from 19 Andhra Battalion, training GCO, is an active person, well-planned professional trainer who has made a significant impact on cadets. Subedar Vinod Kumar. Sergeant N. Harish from 8th Air Squadron NCC plays a vital role with his expertise in training cadets. His in-depth understanding of lifestyle led him to serve people during the floods in Vijayawada. Sergeant N. Harish. Havaldar Mangra Dangar from 17 Andhra Battalion, a professionally competent and humble person who has taken keen interest in training and social service activities, especially in drill. He is a good mentor to cadets, helping them to develop their personality. Havaldar Mangra. Havaldar Shailendra Bhushan from 1 Andhra EME NCC has high standards of knowledge in training cadets and shaping their character. He had consistently demonstrated exceptional dedication. Havaldar Shailendra Bhushan. DFR A. Babu Rao from Triandra RNV Regiment, NCC, a hardworking and committed individual whose services are remarkable.
Taking photos.
DFR A. Ram Babu Rao.
Video. Video photos please. You are saying only video.
Now I request Dr. Shivaji Babu Sir, Principal of PVP Siddhartha Institute of Technology, to facilitate the awardees. Now, we also acknowledge the services of girl cadet instructors to their outstanding performance in various events and camps. Let me invite GCI Harika from NCC 8A Squadron. GCI Swarupa from 4 Girls Battalion. GCI Malleshwari from 8 Andhra Naval Unit. GCI B Maheshwari Sai from 1 Andhra EME. Now, another category of awards is to be taken to the staff whose work is very important in ensuring the smooth functioning of NCC units. The state government staff, whose role is remarkable in the functioning of NCC. Let me call upon Superintendent Kondaya from 19 Andhra Battalion. A perfect planner, maintains all documents well. Mr. Kondaya. M. Kiran Kumar, Senior Assistant from 3 Andhra RNV Regiment, NCC, handles all kinds of activities. He works with passion, ensuring all tasks are completed promptly. M. Kiran Kumar. Laskar V. Ram Prasad from 8 Andhra Naval Unit, NCC. Equipped with professional knowledge, he handles accounting and auditing promptly. His strategic planning has proven invaluable in navigating challenge in record maintenance. Laskar V. Ram Prasad. N. Malleshwar Rao Chaukidar, a highly motivated and hardworking person who carries out administrative work efficiently and maintains the documents promptly. N. Malleshwar Rao. M. Srinivas Rao, an outsourced driver from 4 Girls Battalion NCC, who has taken responsibility for running and maintaining unit vehicles with dedication. Now I will hand over the mic to Cadet Sneha.
Thank you, Cadet Swati. Finally, the cadets, who are the future citizens, trained under NCC and actively participated in nation building. I request TDG sir to give away the medals to the awardees. Now I invite the cadets who have shown keen interest in all NCC activities. Cadet KSV Teja from 1 EMA Company, PVP Siddhartha Institute of Technology, Kanuri. A hardworking person with dedication, he performs all activities with enthusiasm and has shown exceptional professional skills in TSC. Cadet KSV Teja. JUO D. Vijayalakshmi from Triandra RNV Regiment. Highly motivated and instrumental, her contribution to NCC is an example for other cadets. She specializes in high standards during the Guard of Honor. JUO D. Vijayalakshmi. Cadet by Swati from 8th Naval Unit, Malastilla College, possesses good communication and professional skills. Her passion and leadership qualities in NCC activities are truly appreciated. Cadet by Swati. Cadet D. Nani from 17th Andhra Battalion participated in numerous SSCD activities. His services in flood-affected areas showcase his passion to serve the needy. Cadet D. Nani. Cadet TBN Srinivas, a hardworking and dedicated person whose enthusiasm helped him unlock his potential in social service activities. Cadet TBN Srinivas. Cadet P.V. Teja from 8th Squadron possesses strong professional skills and expertise which are helpful in achieving success. His command over subjects is inspiration. Cadet P.V. Teja. Cadet Khushi Kumari puts in high standards of effort in motivating others. Her involvement reflects her enthusiasm to serve the people. Cadet Khushi Kumari. Cadet Shravani, 4 Girls Battalion, is an active and passionate cadet. Her consistent participation in NCC activities reflect the commitment and dedication to the spirit of service. Cadet Shravani. Cadet P. Nagavindisri, 19th Andhra Battalion, is a highly motivated and committed cadet involved in all SSCD activities. Cadet P. Nagavindisri. Cadet K. Kavyashree, 19th Andhra Battalion, is an extreme hard worker, specialist in cultural depicting classical dance performance in RRC and RBC. Cadet K. Kavyashree. Cadet P. Deepesh Satya, 19th Andhra Battalion, is a hardworking cadet and participates in every activity. Cadet P. Deepesh Satya. Now I request Now I hand over the mic to Cadet Swati.
Wait, sir, please.
Cadets, please go and sit down. Go back.
Keep your medals carefully. Collect some. Your two gifts collect later. I think time is not there. So remember, you collect your gifts. Contact.
Purpose of our visit is to take the stock of situations, see how the training is going on, what is the capability that we have in terms of training the
Video.
I would put it on record to say that the infrastructure is in place, the training practices are very good. All the staff and officers of NCC are doing a very good job. I'm happy to see the kind of training they are imparting, the kind of knowledge, and most importantly, the josh and the enthusiasm which I see in the NCC cadets. It is very heartening to see that they are very highly motivated. And in a short visit, I have realized that our future is going to be good.
सर जो नया बना हुआ स्टेट का जो कुछ तक कमी तो होगा कोई वो जो चीज़ आपने ऑब्जर्व किया
नहीं, कमी तो सब स्टेट में होता है, बट आई फाइंड द cadets of the state are very highly motivated. Their inclination towards joining NCC is very good. I want to thank their parents and families for supporting them, the institutions for supporting them, and the NCC staff will do a good job to see that we live up to their expectations.
सर मेन जो बात है कि तेलंगाना और आंध्रा जो है दोनों डिवाइड होकर 11 साल हो गए सर, मगर जो NCC का जो हेडक्वार्टर्स है अभी भी तेलंगाना के अंदर है। उसका कुछ बदलाव आने वाला है क्या
नहीं,
सर?
एनसीसी का डायरेक्टिव है जो पहले से था वो है, केस टेकअप किया है हमने और प्रोबेबली फाइल अभी आगे हेडक्वार्टर्स में है और डायरेक्टिव बनने का चांसेस है। टाइमलाइन मैं बता नहीं पाऊँगा।
यहाँ पर आंध्र में कुछ अलग बनने को सर?
हाँ, आंध्रा में अलग डायरेक्टिव बनेगा, जैसे ही इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हमारा ऑलरेडी बनने का प्रपोजल है गवर्नमेंट के पास में और फाइल ऑलरेडी मूव कर दिया है, तो वेरी सुन वी शुड सी एक सेपरेट डायरेक्टिव।
क्योंकि हर जगह जो है कैंटर वगैरह हर जगह होता है और डायरेक्टर भी साथ ही रहता है, इसी का
हमने ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है, बहुत सारे स्टेट्स हैं जहाँ पे कंबाइंड है, अभी भी कंबाइंड है और उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हमको कोई प्रॉब्लम फेस नहीं हो रहा है। वो द गवर्नमेंट्स आर सपोर्टिंग अस एंड द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव स्टाफ इज ऑल्सो सपोर्टिंग अस, सो इट इज़ नॉट अ impediment as far as we are concerned in running of the NCC. But yes, if the states have decided to have a separate directives, we leave it to the government to decide. And जैसे डायरेक्टेड आएगा, मीटिंग वगैरह बनने का प्रपोजल है, तो उस पर थैंक यू।
Closing remarks. अच्छा, suggest word है ना?
Now I request Air Commodore Nasim Salami to address the gathering. Please come on to the dais, sir.
Good evening, all the officers and everybody who is present here. First of all, I want to thank the group commander for inviting me to this group. This is my first visit here. I have spent just about 1 day, but what I have seen is that the group, the people in this group, the staff, the cadets, they are doing a very good job. मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है, अंदर से बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि इतना सारा जोश मेरे को कैडेट्स में देखने को मिला। एंड इट इज नॉट बिकॉज द कैडेट्स आर हैप्पी क्योंकि एनसीसी ज्वाइन किया, इट इज बिकॉज एनसीसी हैज बीन एबल टू प्रोवाइड देम द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, द अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड एन एवेन्यू टू शोकेस देयर कैपेबिलिटीज. It is now up to you cadets to ensure that you take the most out of this facility, this infrastructure and the highly experienced faculty that we have. Okay, we have a good set of trainers, we have a good set of activities planned for you. अब आप लोगों का काम है कि आप इन सबको इन्वाइट करो, ये वैल्यूज को अपने साथ लेके जाओ, एक देशभक्ति का जज्बा अपने अंदर रखो. Okay, whatever profession you do, either you are doing an engineering or you are doing any other thing, whenever you go out of NCC, you pass out the certificate. Remember, you are an NCC cadet for life. You will carry the values of discipline, honesty, integrity, and love for this country always. Okay? People have understood? Yes, sir. Am I making sense? Yes, sir. कोई ज़्यादा तो नहीं मांग रहा है? Good. Okay? So remember these values that you have to take along with you. जो भी काम करो, जैसा भी काम करो, एक चीज़ हमेशा याद रखना, जो काम मैं कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ, उससे मेरे माँ बाप का नाम ऊंचा होगा कि नहीं, मेरे परिवार का नाम ऊंचा होगा कि नहीं, मेरे एनसीसी डायरेक्टरेट का नाम ऊंचा होगा कि नहीं. एट एंड ऑफ इट, वेदर इट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प माय नेशन ग्रो, मेरे देश के लिए ये अच्छा है, सोसाइटी के लिए अच्छा है कि नहीं है. ठीक है? सो गो विद दैट माइंडसेट. Ensure that whatever you do, wherever you go, whichever job you take, do it with utmost sincerity and utmost devotion. NCC से निकलने के बाद में, I expect there should be no one who should do a wrong activity. Okay? No dishonesty, no shortcuts, only progress, only good work. Okay? We are going to retire. Some of us will retire soon, and when we step into 2047. Okay, 100 years of independence, when we plan to become a superpower, we want to become a developed nation, you people will be holding the important posts that some of us are holding. Okay, that's the time I want you to look back and think of this day, that yes, we made a promise to ourselves, we will do good, we will do hard work and make the country proud of us. Okay, So I wish you all the best. I wish all the best to the NCC officers, staff, ANOs, CTOs, GCIs and everybody to ensure that each and every cadet that is passing out of here is a citizen you should be proud of. Thank you so much. All the best and God bless. Please.
Send the kids.
Thank you so much, sir, for your thought-provoking message. Your words are truly inspiring. On behalf of NCC Group Kakinada, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Air Commodore Narsingh Salami, Deputy Director General of APN Telangana Directorate, for his esteemed presence and for sparing his valuable time. I would also like to express my gratitude to the management and director and Dr. Shivaji Babu, Principal of PVP Siddhartha Institute of Technology, for providing the necessary infrastructure and support in creating a conducive environment which has been instrumental in the success of this program. We acknowledge the efforts taken by Lieutenant Dr. Naik, ANO of PVP Siddhartha Institute of Technology in our success. Thank you, sir. We appreciate the cadets for their enthusiastic participation in all our activities. Keep going with this spirit. We thank the print and electronic media for their prompt coverage. Thank you, one and all. I request the cadets to break for a tea.
अकेले पकड़ लेकर नन्हे తీసుకురా आकर के डाल देंगे उधर ले कवर ఉంది ఇక్కడ ఇంక్రీజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది సీనియర్ ఇంక్రీజ్ కవర్
इधर भी कर दीजिए जहाँ जहाँ खड़े हो गए भाई बड़े भाई आ रहे हैं सब आ रहे हैं जस्ट इधर भी snacks. Please pick up. All cadets, start.
మా ఇంకెవరికైనా లేకపోతే అక్కడ తీసుకోండి వచ్చి వెళ్ళి తీసుకో ఇంకా
अलग अलग कॉलेज ऐसे ना
presenting ideas as first time we fired.
तो विलन मार्केट किसी को पता नहीं चलता है निशाना सब बोलेंगे
Anybody missing?
How many years have you flown the
बताओ ऐसे क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि उनको मालूम नहीं कि क्या है ना? क्या है नहीं मालूम, इसलिए तो करते हैं। तो डर हमको रीड का नहीं, डर है हमको जो क्या होगा वो नहीं पता, जो नहीं पता है उसका डर है। ठीक है, तो मैं खुद बताऊँगा क्या होगा। कार्ड ऐसे जाएगा, जो सामने बैठता है लेफ्ट में बैठता है उसको तुम्हारा चांस से ज़्यादा प्यारा अपना चांस कि नहीं, तो जिंदा आएगा वापस, उसको पकड़ कर थोड़ा सा मेरे को वापस लेके चले, ठीक है, बट यू मस्ट फ्लाई एंड देन आफ्टर फ्लाइंग यू सेंड मी अ मैसेज ऑन व्हाट्सएप, फोटो खींच के कि सर मैंने फ्लाई किया एंड उसके नीचे ऑप्शन येस और नो, सर मेरे को डर लगा, अभी लग रहा है दूसरा ऑप्शन, सर मेरे को डर लगा, हमने अभी डर गई तो सारा चीज़ अभी एकदम नहीं कर लिया, उसके बाद हमको कोई नहीं रोक सकता, जो करना है आर्मी में जाना है, डॉक्टर बनना है, इंजीनियर बनना है, कोई नहीं, इट इज़ फॉर एवरीबडी। You are young people, you have more energy than many of us have. You have josh, your body can sustain, your mind can sustain. हम अभी जाके सीख रहे हैं सब बातें, एकदम एक्सपीरियंस will take you places. ज़्यादा अभी टॉक तो नहीं हो गया। Look at this, don't be afraid. And I'm sure once you fly, you will say, sir, all is good. Good. अभी समझ Huge respect for Navy. Why? Because वो अपना यूनिफॉर्म को वाइट रखते हैं, कैसे रखते हैं? सबसे बड़ा टेंशन ये है कि वाइट यूनिफॉर्म को किसी से स्पार्किंग वाइट यूनिफॉर्म ऐसी पता नहीं क्यों सबसे ज़्यादा हैप्पी स्माइलिंग हैप्पी, या तो आप ज़्यादा खुशी हाँ मैम ऐसा है क्या? करेक्ट, ट्रेनिंग पूरा हो रहा है
IAS बनना चाहते हैं, सी सर्टिफिकेट लेके कोई कंपनी अलाउ करेगा
कि NCC आईएएस जो होगी तो अच्छा काम करोगे, बाद में सिविल से आईएएस बनना है उसका मेरे को परेशान अच्छा नहीं किया नहीं किया यू गोइंग फ्रॉम NCC सर्टेन दैट यू राइट should put you need to go to a lot of education, lot of good knowledge.
सामने से
जो भी करोगे आप just enjoy. What do you feel about this attraction? Parade again. Why is not eating? You're waiting for me? अच्छा वो होगा है ना जैसे समोसा शुरू नहीं पिक्चर्स much more suggestions. Please feel free to discuss amongst yourselves, discuss with the and the promising the very sort of but we definitely we have very good. I also asked some friends to arrange for communication classes. Because I see a lot of people, they are very good, but because of communication skills, they are getting completely. So English, fluent English, communication that is not important. पूरी तरह से यूज करने के लिए जरूरी है। तो हमें कुछ स्कूलों में सब एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस इंग्लिश आप लोग भी अपने स्कूल में एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस एक ही बैग में उसको तोड़ के आगे निकलो जाओगे अच्छा लगेगा all your hard work should not be wasted. Chalo, time for some.
Thank you, sir.
Jain Sam. When I see such people, I so that I am still senior. समोसा मिलेगा all the best to you. I have Fuster Institutional अच्छे बहुत सबके पास फोन है स्मार्टफोन क्या करते हो इंस्टाग्राम पे रील देखते हो फिर क्या देखते हो यूट्यूब पे क्या देखते हो तो ठीक है पूरा दिन वो थोड़ी देखते हो अपना हीरोइन का पिक्चर हीरो का पिक्चर सब देखते हो ना कोई की ड्रामा देखता होगा कोई कुछ देखता होगा 1 hour स्पेंड ऑन one channel which teaches you spoken English 1 hour per जाना पड़ता था 60 रुपीज़ पर आवर का पैसा देना पड़ता था फिर गवर्नमेंट करते थे और एक फोटो डाउनलोड करने के लिए करके 5 मिनट आज आपके पास में सब कुछ यूज दैट फैसिलिटी फोन विच यू हैव यूज इट फॉर लर्निंग स्किल्स जो तुमको आपको नहीं सिखाता जो स्कूल नहीं सिखाता वॉच दोज एप्स है फॉर लर्निंग विल नॉट मेक फन ऑफ इच अदर मजाक नहीं उड़ाना सीखना है ऐसा ग्रुप बना कर करोगे I can give you 100% guarantee you will be able to overcome this barrier. तो वही दे रहा हूँ उस पर उसको मानो और उसको लगता है कि एक्सपेंड होना so that people want to join everyone wants to join our courses you should try and join this potential somewhere everybody has got potential it's not a single person जिसका potential नहीं है okay so you have to work for it and you will be disciplined फोन निकाला टक 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 वीडियोस इधर उधर का वीडियो आएगा जो मोर डांस वीडियो ऐसे होगा ना सबका जी सर इसके बाद में कितने साल के होगा तो पूरा ये टाइम नहीं लौट के आएगा most powerful this money क्या करना है अच्छा यूज करना है so enjoy play along use your skill those people में अपना इंग्लिश इंप्रूव करने के लिए या कोई एजुकेशन मिनिमाइज करने वो प्ले हेल्प आउट के आसपास जो भी शॉप है उससे बात करो लर्न समथिंग somebody who's running a shop and who's interested in basic life skills कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा जितना काम देखोगे जितना समझोगे वो घर में बैठ के टीवी के सामने चलो ऑल द बेस्ट बहुत पीपल जो इनको मैं ज्ञान दे रहा हूँ ना हाँ मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस और जो मैं उनको बोलूँगा who are the people so much of influence over them? Why not? I'm ready for photography. हाँ come ये finish कर दो ना come on let's नहीं तो लोग बोलेंगे ये फोटो में नहीं आना चाहिए
వెనకాలంటారా పడేస్తే కెమెరాలో
No officers, no staff, only cadets. Only unauthorized. Phone, camera उधर.
మేము మందులు అందరూ ఇస్తాం ఇప్పుడు రెడీ ఈశ్వర్ మూడు అయిపో రాలే నో ప్రాబ్లం కూర్చుంటారా కింద ఏం కదా నువ్వు చెప్పు ఇల్లు ఇంకో ఫ్రంట్కి వెళ్ళు ఆయన ఏది బెరే ఎదురా సరే ఫోన్లో కూడా ఒకటి ఫోన్ నువ్వు కూడా ఎదురు ఫ్రంట్కి రా
Smile, right? Say 1 minute smile. Smile, Borna. Smile, everybody.
స్మైల్ అని చెప్పు స్మైల్
Thank you, sir.
మా సార్
DTG के साथ you taken DTG वाला फोटो ना भेज देना अपना वेंकटेश डिफरेंट वेंकटेश
బ్రో ఒకసారి పట్టుకో ओके